If you want to adjust the beep tone on your Garmin Instinct, press and hold the menu button and go down to Settings. Then go down to System and then to Sounds. From here you can activate or deactivate the key tones, which mean every time you will press a button, it's gonna do a beep like this, which is terrible in my opinion, so I'm gonna disable it. Alert tone, which is when you receive a notification on your phone. Do you want it to ring on your watch? The default settings is during an activity, so if you're biking, running, or anything, yes, you're gonna hear a beep 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 or something like that when you are doing your activity. If you don't want it, you can set it to off or on, which will be all the time. So during activity is fine for me. And then you got the key vibe. The key vibe is a little vibration every time you hit a button. So actually every time I press a button, it do a little vibration. And that's it. When you're done, you can press the lower right button to come back to the main page. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.